Well, I'm absolutely delighted that you made it through Lesson 1, and welcome to Lesson 2 for this class entitled The iPad-Enabled Classroom. I hope you're learning some good information and that your beginning of this course has been on solid footing. If it has not, go ahead and email me at donnie@quickietech.com. This particular lesson is going to introduce a topic that you probably weren't expecting to be introduced, and that is transitioning from desktop computers, that is computers with physical keyboards and physical monitors, to iPads. And as we know, the iPad device is a different type of device. It's primarily a touch device, and it doesn't come with a physical keyboard by default. It does have an on-screen keyboard, but by default it doesn't have a physical keyboard, although we know that you can attach a physical keyboard to it. But there are some differences that if you understand the differences, it will really ground you in your understanding of iPads. So as we review really quick, there are 7 total lessons. Congratulations, you are on Lesson 2, transitioning from desktop computers to iPad tablets, and we'll talk a little bit about making the iPad personal to you. The objective for Lesson 2 is really twofold. Number 1 is to learn the difference between computer desktops and iPad tablet devices, but it's also to learn the history of the iPad. And so you're going to be actually watching some videos where you see Steve Jobs introducing the iPad to the community. And you'll notice that the iPad is a combination of several different markets. It's basically a combination of the entertainment market with videos and with music. It's a combination of the mobile market. It's a combination of the handheld market. It's a combination of the learning market. And because it combines all these markets together in one device, it can be extremely complicated and very easy for your students to get distracted by the world of things that are out there for the iPad. So knowing the history of the iPad will really build a sense of confidence with you as you begin to introduce it into your classroom, because you can simplify the instruction, understanding that it does have capabilities for music. It does have capabilities for downloading your own apps. But you know what? You might be at a district where some of these things are limited, but you'll understand what is the world of capability of the iPad and what is the logic for limiting some of the features. In the end, you have to take the steering wheel of this car of introducing iPad into your particular instruction. And so understanding the background of why it can be a complex device, and then understanding what you can do to greatly simplify it, will really help you in your teaching instruction. Once again, if you have any problems, email me at donnie@quickietech.com. This is a self-paced course, so at any point in time you can pause and you can review videos. You can email me if you're confused what to do for the homework. I want you to feel comfortable. And then, of course, you're going to be building your own learning kit and doing a quiz. And so go ahead and use us at quickietech.com as a learning resource as you progress. I hope you're enjoying the course. Thank you very much.